You've mentioned that new specialized departments might start emerging that are leveraging AI, for example, for ideation or like visualization or something like that. Can you talk more about that?
Yeah, so in the creative industries, first you have the chat-gpt for text, but you also have great stuff for image generation, like Mid-Journey, Stable Diffusion, and so on. Now, when we talk about this, it's a bit scary. So I'll just talk about Photoshop. Photoshop integrated AI inside Photoshop,
Mm.
and it's not that scary anymore, is it? Right? You're using Photoshop. You can do a whole bunch of stuff. You can create, you know, new illustrations, new patterns, or extend existing ones
Mm.
quite well thanks to AI. And I will give a specific use case in Photoshop that I heard about and I love it. It's you have a photo or you have an image of, let's say, an object. Could be a person in a field of corn, let's say,
Mm.
and you have to use it for social media or something. You have to resize it. The photo is one to one. Well, thanks to Photoshop, now you can just prompt it and say, make it, 9:16, so
Mm.
like the phone size, and just imagine the field around it.
Yeah.
And it just puts more corn. It can put, a building behind you and everything. So from this image of a person in a cornfield, which is one to one, you can create, for phone, for desktop, for other stuff, and you have literally saved yourself so much time. If you had to do this on your own, first it would take you time to generate this, or I don't know, hack it in some way.
Mm.
We have been talking about this for so long. Can someone Photoshop me out of the picture? Can someone Photoshop me with a hot dog in front of, I don't
Mm.
know, Central Park? Well, now you can with a simple prompt.
Mm.
This is amazing, right?
Yeah.
Like, imagine what the creative people can do in Photoshop without even thinking about Mid Journey or the new
Mm.
the new software.